CAD is the starting ground for all different specialized fields.
Everything that is ever physically made has had a drawing created somewhere.
When you have a general understanding, a background in CAD, you can lead into project management, you can lead into estimating jobs, surveying jobs, technician jobs.
There's a lot of opportunities in the different phases of design, not just mechanical design or architectural design. You have interior design, landscaping design, just to name a few, and from there it branches out to other opportunities.
A typical class here, we try to cover the basics, give somebody a basis for pretty much anything they'll encounter in the drafting world.
When the students first come on board at Triangle Tech, they're brought into just the fundamentals of drafting. The traditional drafting equipment, your parallel bars, T-squares, triangles, compasses, protractors, things of that nature.
First term, the group that I'm working with currently, you're working with office programs, transitioning into an initial CAD understanding.
From there, we build the program on top of that. They're introduced then to 2D CAD with AutoCAD.
As we move on into the other terms, we expand upon the CAD program and into some more complex programs that offer mechanical and architectural background.
We offer 3 different software packages: AutoCAD, Rivet, and we offer Inventor. Between those 3, they have 85 to 95% of the market today in industry. If you can run all 3 of these, you can run anything that's out there in industry today.
We have some time lecturing, we have time doing homework, but we get to spend a lot of time actually working on projects. When they come to me in 3rd term to do architectural work, we put together anywhere between 8 and 10 projects. We end up having full sets of drawings.
The work they do here is a real-world experience. When they leave here, they're fully prepared to step in and start a job.
Hands-on training is the only way to go. That way you have actually touched the things that you're going out to do. You know, we could talk about things all day long, but unless you've actually touched a transit to take sight readings, you don't really know what you're talking about. The best thing about my class especially is you're going to get your hands dirty.
My first group that graduated, we have a student who had 2 or 3 job interviews before they even graduated, ended up having a job before he graduated when it was all said and done. Really bright kid. Again, someone that the 4-year degree thing wasn't his bag, and when he came here he had excellent grades and the employer saw it right away and snatched him up.
The change from the beginning student to the end student, from the first of the semester to the last of the semester, it's very dramatic in some cases. You see some that come in have no idea of anything about drafting, and when they come out they're ready to go, they're ready to get that job.